So what I said is that for the volatility, in determining your support, your psychological support and resistance on volatility 75, right?
Yes, sir.
You still the normal average
Yes, sir.
75, the spread is by the normal boom and crash, or every our other consideration into this area now, into this point here. So we look at the let's put into consideration this area now here, where I have my horizontal line, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's put into consideration this area here, right? So what value do we have there?
We have 719, 878, 874, 0.85.
No.
9.
No, it's not that one. It's not this horizontal line. I'm talking about this rectangle that I draw. But you can't see my screen. You see the rectangle that I draw?
I can see. Yes, sir.
I'm talking about this area here. Look at it. Let's put it to position. This area. This is where I draw my rectangle at.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
So just pick a point randomly. Then we'll now determine our psychological support and resistance. So what value do we have there? So what value?
We have 5. We have 759.
759.
783.60. 783.
783.60. So now for volatility 75 and every other volatility that have the same spread like this. So this is how you calculate the psychological area, right? This is how you calculate the psychological area. So basically, we are going to be using this first. This is the area we're going to be using. We can use this to 75. Wow. So we are using this. So now the better area you are going to be using now will now be this. So every other one here. So every other one from this area here, we are zooming to 0. Right? That's our pipette or our point. So now what we now have is going to be this. So the next thing we are going to be having is going to be this. So we now have 75 now. We can approximate it to 7500. Okay? Right?
Okay.
That will be our first. So that means we are using the word 00 level. Right? The next one will be 7520, right? 0. And the next one will be 75500, right? And the next one is going to be 75800. Then we now have 7600. How about that is with me?
Yes, sir.
Let's point out this area now. So looking at this now.
Okay.
It
has up to 5. See?
It's 4 now. This is 00 level.
00.
This is 20 level. This is 50 level. This is 80 level.
80
and
level.
After 8 level, next one is going to be our what? Our 00 level now.
Okay. Okay.
Sure, you understand? This is our 00 level. No. This is our 00 level.
Yes, sir.
Our 20 level, our 50 level, and our what? And our 80 level.
80 level.
Right? And our 80 level.
Yes.
And 00 level again. That's now.
Okay. Okay.
Understand? So now, starting from this, so let's start from, this is where we started from, right? So let's start with
sir.
So let's start with that. So this is now, so this will be what?
75000.
So it's going to be 7500.
Yes, sir.
You see it?
Yes, sir.
You see the reaction? So I will be our what? Madam Ishuma, I hope you are with me.
Yes.
Now we are
the next one would now be we'll also add 200 and the rest of the day. I mean,
I can't hear you. Your network is cracking.
Sir, what I'm saying is, do we also have to add 200 and also subtract 200?
You still follow the normal process now. Now the addition of your 200 and or addition of you are trading with. Do you understand the market?
Yes,
now
sir.
is below where you're entering the market. You understand?
No.
2.
Yes,
right?
sir.
1520.
Yes. Yes, sir. I cleared it.
75. That's it. And this is after our 20 level. Next time we're going to be having is
7600 level.
right? That color is not sharp enough.
Yes, sir.
So we can see.
Yes.
Then what?
Yes, sir.
Level now. We have our 7600. So that's how you do your. So that's how you do your level.
Yes, sir.
Of volatility. So use the first 2 numbers.
And the rest,
right?
the yes, sir. Yes, sir. The rest of the numbers will be 00.
Yes, you assume it to be 00.
Okay, sir. Well understood,
So
sir. Thank you.
that is clear. Okay, more perfect.
Yes, sir.
And see how it reacts. So you can actually find the perfect reaction.
Yes, sir.
There. So that's for your volatility 75 and other index.
Yes, sir. So I was talking of that high of previous day high and previous day low. In that previous day high and previous day low, is it where we will start looking for entry?
You can target your entry there, because the truth is that's the second in the second closest liquidity that you can have. Right, the first one if you are a day trader, if you are an intraday trader, is the former section, the previous section high and low. That's the first liquidity you put into consideration. After that, then you can now consider your previous day low or previous day high.
So,
you understand? That is.
I did not understand this, sir.
Okay, let me say another. We have less than 1 minute, so let's do with another lesson. I'll talk extensively on the 50 and 75 and others. So just join with the link again. So we start the afresh. Okay.